Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and connectivity. Plug the Fossil watch into its charger and confirm battery is at least 50% so updates or resets won't fail. On your phone, open the Fossil companion and Wear OS apps and verify Bluetooth is on. Once paired, force a manual sync so you can observe time behavior. Make sure you've recorded the watch's current time zone and autosync setting. This prevents accidental changes during the repair process. Once basic checks are complete, diagnose the issue. Verify your phone's time zone, and automatic date and time are correct because the watch mirrors the phone. If the watch is off, go to Settings on the watch, choose System, then restart to trigger a fresh sync. Make sure to watch the Bluetooth pairing status. If restarting doesn't fix it, perform a factory reset on the watch. This clears software glitches. Keep it on the charger to avoid power interruption during reset. You finish by repairing the watch to the phone and immediately checking for firmware and app updates, because outdated software often causes time drift. After updating, test the watch in another location or toggle automatic time zone and force a sync to confirm the clock stays accurate. If the problem continues, clear the Fossil and Wear OS app cache on the phone. Try pairing with a different phone to isolate the issue, and only then contact Fossil support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.